Welcome to the meditation. Let's tune in. Bring your hands together, rub them, create some heat in your palms, and then press them together in prayer pose right at the center of your chest. We're going to tune in with the mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo, chanting 3 times. Inhale deeply to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And now inhale deeply, suspend the breath and feel the vibration within you and around you. And exhale. First posture, curl your fingertips down to the pads of the hands and stick the thumbs straight out. Arms out to the sides. As you inhale, you move the thumbs towards the shoulders. As you exhale, you straighten the arms out again. Move powerfully with a powerful breath through the nose. Inhale, thumbs towards shoulders without touching the shoulders. Exhale, arms straight out parallel. Inhale in, exhale out. And as you inhale, you mentally chant Sat. And as you exhale, you mentally chant Nam. Sat Nam. Truth is my identity. Connect to that truth. Connect to that inner knowing, that wisdom within you. Keep your eyes rolled up and in and focused at your third eye point. This is activating your pituitary gland. This is opening you to intuition and clarity. Keep it going. Use the breath powerfully. Yes. And inhale, the thumbs towards the shoulders, spread the chest wide, spread the elbows. And exhale, rest the hands down. And just let the energy flow. Total silence. And prepare for the next posture. Fingertips folded down to the pads of the hands again. Thumbs sticking out, arms straight out to the side, elbows as straight as you can have them. And then begin twisting your arms and your hands so that your thumbs go up and back and down and back. Up and back, down and back. And do this motion with a powerful breath. Keep those eyes focused up and in between the eyebrows. You're working on the pituitary. You're breaking through your greatest fears and paranoias. Keep up and you will be kept up. Let the challenge come and meet the challenge with your breath. Know that there is transformation happening right now through the challenge. And as you're breathing, inhale Sat, exhale Nam. Sat Nam, truth is my identity. You're connecting to your truth. Stay so steady. If you notice the arms have begun to sink, bring them back parallel. Last little bit, you're almost there. Yes, yes, almost. Keep it going. If the arms want to shake and ache, let it happen. You're moving energy. You're opening up your intuition. It takes a little effort sometimes. Transformation and change are challenging. Yes, it's challenging. Can you smile into the challenge? Can you smile into your opening heart? And inhale deeply, suspend the breath, squeeze rectum, sex organs, navel, and exhale. Feel the energy in your arms, in your chest, in your shoulders. Let it melt. Let it all melt away. The posture is already done. Breathe. Breathe. And listen. Listen. Third and last posture, your left hand is in Gyan Mudra, your thumb and index finger touching, and you rest the back of that left hand on your thigh, on your knee, wherever you need to rest it, keeping the elbow straight. And then you raise your right arm up to 60 degrees in front of you, focusing the eyes up and in again to the seat of your intuition, and begin chanting the mantra. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am. I am.
My soul.
Say it with conviction, determination, and truth.
I am bliss.
Speak it to the world. Speak it to your soul and to yourself. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am
my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am. I am.
You are merging your ego, your identity, into the universal identity. You're building self-esteem, self-respect, and you're honoring yourself with this mantra. Chant it from the heart. Speak from the heart. Let your voice be heard. Your arm might get very heavy. Keep going anyway. Keep speaking the truth. You are the light of your soul. You are bountiful. You are beautiful. You are bliss. You are. You are. Know the truth. Feel the truth. last little bit. Let the heavens hear your voice. Yes, let it ring into the heavens. Go inside and listen to that inner voice. Every question has an answer. Listen. Look deeper. Listen. Go even deeper. And listen to that quiet, quiet voice. It's there to guide you at all times. All you have to do is get quiet enough and listen. Listen. Listen.
I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am the light of my soul. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. I am.
And inhale so deeply, suspend the breath. Hold it, hold the arm there. And exhale, rest the arm down with both hands now in Gyan Mudra. Both hands, thumb and index finger touching. And let this truth ring through you. The beauty, the bounty, the bliss, the light. And then bring your arms over your head, shake your arms, shake your hands, shake your face, your shoulders, your head. Release the energy. Sat Nam. And closing the meditation, sealing in the effects, let's end with one long Sat, short Nam. Inhale deeply.
Sat Nam.
You are the light of your soul. You are bountiful. You are blissful. You are beautiful. You are. Sat Nam.